Well, I pulled the carburetor off. Looks pretty good. Inspected the reed valves. Just took a light, shined up in there. You know, they're kind of circular. They go around, almost heart-shaped, right? And then the other side's around. Anyway, all those look fine. I don't see anything weird about them at all. And I opened up the carburetor, and I can't really find anything wrong with it either. It's the bolt. It seems like it's pretty good. And also the float, whenever I blow on it, you know, right side up or upside down, I mean, it's opening and closing like it's supposed to. So I hooked the fuel back up. I filled my, you know, and then I just went and got me a water bottle. He says this is a new fuel pump, but it's very interesting to me because check this out. Whenever I got my bowl in the right position, right? And it's gonna take a minute, but now it seems like almost firm, which means okay, we got some fuel coming in there. Okay, and if you check this out, there was no fuel in the fuel bowl in the carburetor. And it's slowly sucking the fuel back out. See, watch, it's sucking the fuel back into the gas tank. I don't think it's supposed to do that. And then it's almost hard right now, which is really odd. And I've just never seen one do this. And like, that's hard right now. And it's hard. It's almost like there's a fuel restriction. But we could sit there and watch this suck back into the engine. I mean, into my tank. So I still got a little bit of fuel. Pull on it, I guess. I pull the spark plugs out, make it easy, but I don't know if that's going to work because it needs compression from the engine. I think it is pumping some, but why is this sucking the fuel back into the fuel tank? And you know, the check valve is upright. I mean, it's like horizontal like it's supposed to be. And now it doesn't seem to be doing it. What happens if I turn it sideways? And now it's not doing it. Very, very strange. Well, yeah, it is. See, it's sucking right back down into the thing, into the gas tank. I just have never seen that happen before. I have to look and see if I have another fuel pump, see if we can somehow confirm this. I mean, you can see it, it's almost, but then it's almost like it's hard to push the fuel bolt. Like it's just, like it's already full, but I know it's not. This should just gush out of there. Literally just about run out of there. So I think this is, somewhere this is our problem. Because the engine it would go lean. So somehow the pressure is pulling it back into the tank. And I've got the relief on the tank. So the relief valve is out. Maybe it's the pump. You know, there shouldn't be a restriction of the line coming in. Just check that. So I can take the line going into the pump. Let me see what happens here. Well, I had an old fuel pump out there. Shit. So, I think somewhere in this chain, we got a problem. I thought maybe I would just, I don't know, go ahead and take this fuel pump off. I get it off. So, here's what I got the camera going.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, well, you're gonna edit that out though, right?
Edit what out?
Me showing up.
Why would I do that?
Because I ain't had a shower, ain't brushed my teeth.
Well, sounds like you got a problem.
I'm out of here.
You're out of here? Why? Where are you gonna go?
I ain't gonna be on camera.
Why not? You don't wanna? Huh. That's alright. So I put a water bottle in there and I'm gonna hook this fuel back up and see if it how well it pumps into it. Well, it pumps in alright. See what happens. Hey! See, at a certain point it should pull. Well, it doesn't seem to be pulling. So maybe we've got an air leak somewhere else. I mean, I don't know. I know my tank is good. I've used it several times. It's kind of my test tank. So that's eliminated. I don't know, like this this line with the connector on it, maybe we need to put a clamp around there. I can't stand these stupid tie wraps because they just don't do good. And you know, I mean, the line seems to be okay. I don't know, maybe we should do like one of these and just see how it does. This is just an old one, you know, it's like super old. Get it on here. How about those Texas Democrats? State legislatures. How about that? They went all the way to DC, contracted COVID, and put on a big show, didn't they? See, I mean, like, I'm still hooked up, so it's really baffling. Oh yeah, so this one's leaking. Which is why it was in there on the shelf. So I don't know, folks. I think that's our problem. Was we need a new fuel pump. So it's not sucking back in the engine now. So we had some kind of air leak with his hoses, and so we need to order a new fuel pump. I guess we'll end that one for now until I can get another fuel pump. Get one of those ordered. That's definitely one of the issues with this engine.